Make sentences using I am. I am a boy. I am a girl. I am happy. I am sad. Subject, be verb, complement. Complement can be adjective. Sad, happy adjective. Complement can be noun or noun phrase. I, subject, am be verb, a girl, complement, but this is noun. Noun phrase. I am sad. I am 5 years old. I am a student. I am in class 1. I am strong. I am hungry. I am sleepy. I am kind. I am small. I am big. I am fast. I am slow. We can use I am with present continuous tense. That is, for present continuous tense, we use ing with the main verb. Here, am is a helping verb, go is a main verb, and we need to add ing. I am going to school. I am reading a book. I am playing with my friends. I am drinking milk. I am writing a letter. I am drawing a picture. I am watching TV. I am listening to music. I am eating my lunch. I am wearing a red dress. I am brushing my teeth. I am holding a pencil. I am afraid of the dark. I am excited for my birthday. I am helping my mother. I am interested in science. I am learning new words. I am good at mathematics. I am good at chemistry. I am good at English. I am proud of my country. I am polite to others. I am not polite to others. I am always honest. I am not always honest. Am I always honest? I am feeling cold today. Am I feeling cold today? I am not feeling cold today. I am going to the park. I am fond of painting. I am happy to meet new people. I am dreaming of becoming a doctor. Am I dreaming of becoming a doctor? I am not dreaming of becoming a doctor. I am excited about my vacation. I am taking care of my pet. I am painting a tree. I am learning how to swim. I am visiting my grandparents this weekend. I am working hard for my exams. I am confident in myself. I am thankful for my family. I am ready to do my best.